Experiencing issues with your Optus SIM while traveling? You're not alone. Many users face roaming problems. First, ensure international roaming is enabled in your phone's settings and that you have a compatible Optus travel plan like Travel Pass. Next, restart your phone. Then, double-check your APN settings. It should typically be set to Yes Internet for Optus. Make sure your SIM card is properly inserted. As of 2025, Optus offers free SIM unlocks via their website or app if your plan is eligible. Unlocking allows using local SIMs if needed. Try testing with a local SIM to isolate the issue to your Optus SIM or phone. If problems persist, contact Optus's 24/7 support for remote diagnostics. Why do these issues happen? Roaming allows your SIM to connect to foreign networks via agreements Optus has with global carriers. Without it, you're limited to emergency calls. Frequency bands are radio frequencies used for mobile signals. Optus SIMs prioritize bands like 1800, 2600 MHz, common in Australia, Europe, and parts of Asia. However, the US uses bands like 700 MHz, which Optus SIMs may only partially support, leading to dropped connections. Carrier lock prevents SIMs from being used on other networks until unlocked by Optus. Use a phone compatibility checker app before traveling to verify band support. By 2025, Optus has increased eSIM adoption, reducing physical SIM failure rates abroad and improving roaming performance. If problems persist, your device may need a firmware update. Check with your device manufacturer for updates.